I'm the boss, I guess, me. And today I'm back with another 3D printed video. So today I printed this, which is the Snowball Maker by Kevin B22. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to go ahead and download this yourself. Now I did have to scale it down because it wouldn't fit my printer, and I didn't want to use a slicer and glue it together. So I didn't do a time lapse on this just because by the time I started it, I didn't really think I was going to do a video on it. So, I didn't, do a time lapse, plus I wanted to use this for other things. So, now I will do a time lapse here. Stupid computer. I don't know why it does that, it just switches for no reason. So, yeah, he'll be helping me. Well, that actually comes out a lot better on video than it does on a photo, because I tried taking a picture of it lit up and it was all messed up. And I went up to the studio and it worked. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoy. Guys, so I finished taking all the support material out. Now it is rough, so I'll probably sand this down. But not right now, because to be honest, I guess I'm too lazy. I don't know. Oh no. Did I? No, I didn't. Okay. For a minute, I thought I lined this up wrong, but I don't know if you guys can see that. Do I have that right there? Okay, cool. So yeah, there's a little hole, and then this pin goes right through there. Let me see if I can get it through there. Okay, so it fits, but it's odd. It only fits one. Okay. I thought it would fit two, but yeah, it only fits one. I thought it would fit all the way through. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just have to go and print another pen then. Well, I will do a time lapse there for that one, so I'll let you guys enjoy. Well, guess it won't work. So, I have it here. Wait. Oh, frick. I lost the snowball thing. Well, whatever. Anyways, so we have our little bushing thing. So, what I'm going to do is obviously add this to the end of the thing I already have. And as you guys saw, that thing can move around. So, yeah, if it's messed up, I can move it. Yeah, okay, so, I guess I just stick the other end into this thing and it'll work? I don't know. I'll see what it says to do on file. I probably look dumb for not being able to figure this out myself. I don't know. Okay, and I'll just look at the file to make sure I have it right though. Doesn't hurt to check. Okay, and last little bit of support material. Okay, cool. Wait. Now, come on, really? This is actually bullying me. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's better. I'll sand it down there. Okay, now I'm gonna go and get the other part, and we'll be back. Now we have it. Now we have the other part. I left this next to the 3D printer because I guess I thought I should to do that. I don't know. So now we're gonna go ahead and poke this out. Probably be better if I did it like this, that way I don't stab myself. Ow! As I say that. Okay, so now what I'm assuming is gonna happen, I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, I guess you can. I'm gonna stick these two in there like that. This will probably go inside of here, and then I guess we'll put them together, and yeah, now this obviously looks a lot bigger. Okay, so this is not gonna fit. So you know what? Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, gosh darn it! I have to print this again. Well, you know, I'm not gonna do a time lapse for that. Yeah. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I scaled these down 75% because they wouldn't fit inside of my build platform. And I forgot to scale this down. So this is at 100%. So we're going to go ahead and have to print another one. I hate to waste filament like that. But I have learned, yeah, it was a 25-minute print. And it could have been a lot shorter because I put all this material like this, as you guys saw. Instead of like that, which would have been a lot quicker. And then all I would have to do is sand it. There's probably a few other prints I could have done that way. But, I mean, you know. The damage is 3D printed done. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop there. So yeah, please don't copyright strike me. But yeah, I'm gonna go and do that. I'll see you guys back. Okay guys, so I printed the little piece that I need, and just for a size comparison, this was the original size, and this is the new size. So you can see it's quite a bit smaller. Now I sanded the top because I printed it upside down and I printed much faster. I went in there and it said 95%, and then like a minute or two later it was done. Maybe not even, maybe like a minute and a half or something. I don't know. It was pretty short. So yeah, you have to put a screw into this. I didn't realize that. Sorry on my part. Now I'm gonna see. That actually looks like that'll fit pretty well. And so what I'm probably gonna do is, you know, screw it in here. And actually no, this will probably just work fine. So yeah, you can go ahead, stick this in here, okay? Then we're gonna go ahead and make sure it fits properly and works nicely. Oh wait, I'm gonna sand down the top really quickly. That way it's a nice smooth fit. Sorry. I'm sorry for your poor ears. Headphone users. You know, next time I think I'll make sure to give a warning before I do stuff like that. Yeah, okay, that's a little bit better. Not, you can always change that. But yeah, okay, so now, now of course it fits fine. Once I get it in there. He says with confidence. There we go. Okay, now it's in there. And we're gonna go ahead and screw this in here. And let's hope I don't mess up. So if I do, then I'm kind of fricked. So now, where is it? Okay, here we go. So now I want to make sure this will fit. Yeah. Okay, so this will probably fit just right. But just to make sure, yeah, okay. It'll probably be good enough. It might stick through on the end, so I might have to drill it a little bit. But wait, can I actually get? Oh wow, I can get this started with my finger. Surprise, surprise! It's a Phillips and it doesn't work with a flathead. I have done that before though. It'll work with flatheads. It's the right bit size. Oh no. It's starting to move. No, okay. I actually have clamps right here. So there we go. I don't have to hold it anymore. They're small enough clamps that they will work just fine. Okay, so cool. Now I can hold this and screw it in manually. Or I can just use a screwdriver at the right bit. So, go and screw this in, I'll be back. Guys, so, yeah, that rattling in the background is our washer and dryer. So, I'm screwing this in, and, I came up with a little bit of a problem. The whole head came off. But it shouldn't be a problem. It's not really changing it that much. So, I guess I will just keep on screwing it in. Yeah, okay, it's not really working because I can no longer hold it. I'm not gonna give up though. Oh, wait, maybe I can, wait. Maybe. So what I was doing, I was holding this like this and then screwing it in. So I'm gonna try it again because that obviously worked before. Wait, do I have... No, it is going the right way. Yeah. So why is it... this is so hard because I don't... You know what, actually... I should be able to use some super glue and let it dry and then just screw it in because I'm not screwing in... I'm not actually messing up the hinge. I'll be back. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this Gorilla Glue and I'm going to take these two hinges out and I'm just going to go ahead and glue that right there. So it'll actually still be able to turn, but, well, you know what? No. I'll just glue this part. I don't know. I'm going to see what happens once this comes out. There we go. Okay, so now we have some Gorilla Glue. I'm gonna go ahead and try and turn this up. And stick that in there. Wait, how long does this take to dry? Gosh darn it, 1 to 2 hours. I don't want it to take that long, but I guess I'll have to. Wait, is this? Oh, yep, this is good glue. So now, hopefully I won't die, but I'm going to go ahead and try and put, or, you know, clean it up with some paintbrushes. So hopefully it won't ruin them. I don't think it will. I just want to stuff it in there. Make sure it's all in there. Gosh, stuff smells. Ugh. It's not smell good. No. And we're going to leave that under some hot water. It's not coming off. Can't really tell if it's coming off perfect. So I'm going to leave this in soapy water and hope it'll work. If you guys do print this, don't do what I did and, you know, mess it up. Just make sure when you do this that you get it right, because if you don't, it's a pain in the neck. Wait, is this, wait. Oh, wait. There may or may not have been a simpler solution. Wait, I might be able to solve this here and now, instead of waiting 2 hours for this to dry. Come on. Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna go ahead and clamp this like this. Right there. Okay, so now hopefully this will work. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got a battery notification. So that screw's gonna come through there, and hopefully it won't hit that. Because it was moving that, and I was like, oh wait. Gosh darn it, no. It moved the clamp again. It's gonna be tough. Yeah, you guys, if you do print this, you guys might, I would make sure I did not print this at 100% density info. I would probably do that if I had to do it again. At least for the little, well, maybe not the whole print, but definitely the little bolts and pins, because it will really, really pay off. Now, as long as I keep this in here. Oh, no, oh. Okay. Come on. You know what, let's just do it like this. And if it hits the other side, it hits the other side. Okay, so I think it came. Wonderful. Gosh darn it, my scarf is all messed up. There we go. Yeah, so this is what's happening. Since it's not glued to this piece properly, it's really messing up. So, hopefully I can get this so it'll go all the way through. Yeah, this piece is staying still. Yeah, okay. Let me... Now let me try it. Come on. Wow, that is, wow. Okay, yeah, so that's obviously not coming out. I don't know what to do, guys, because I'm trying to clamp this and keep it secure, so it won't move while I try and screw it in, but it just does not. It's like, no, I'm moving, I don't care. Let me... Oh, okay, I got it. I got it. There we go, guys. You see that? Right there. I don't know if it'll do it. I think it'll work. I think it'll work. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and try this again. Yeah, you know what? Let me just go ahead and do this, guys. I'm sure it'll work. I cannot believe I did that. Okay, so now let's try this again. Gosh darn it, that was a waste of glue and a paintbrush. I mean, the paintbrush is still going to work because I'm soaking it in soapy water right now. So it'll probably work and probably won't have any problems, but something wasted that didn't have to be. All I had to do was use my vice grips because they have little teeth on the end, unlike a clamp. Okay, so now that that's all in place, we can hopefully, well, yeah, I guess you can't really. Well, here, let's do this. Let's screw it all the way through, and then screw that through and hold it on the other end. And what you want to make sure you guys don't do is strip the head, because then it will not work at all, no matter what. Okay, so now we've got this pretty well lined up. We want to make sure we don't mess this up. 'Cause if we do, well, then we're kind of done for. So now, hold this like that. Put that in like that, and then hope we line this. Oh gosh, it's a magnetic bit. Okay, hope we line this up properly. Come on. Oh, this is off. Okay. Yeah, that was off center. I'm like, why is this not lining up exactly right? Yeah, you cannot have that happen. You should be perfectly lined up, because if it's not, yeah, there we go. Now it's all nice and lined up. Okay, cool. Yeah, there we go. Right, okay. Where'd it go? Oh, my, okay, there it is. Hopped away from me. So hop skipping away. Okay, gosh, this is gonna be tough. I don't want to break it. I probably won't. Really? Gosh, I've got to really start hand starting these things. Apparently that's working better than the drill for me right now. Okay, can I really just do this? Oh, wow. Man, gosh darn it. I just thought of something. Guys, so if you've been watching my Red Dead Redemption 2 videos, then the last one you guys saw was the intro mission. That way you can get into online. Yeah, I accidentally did the second one without recording it. Ah, did I break this? No, I didn't. Okay, cool. Gosh, man, this is a lot harder. And I printed this because there was snow outside, and of course now it's all melted away. Because this took a while to print. It took like 27 hours or something. And of course now all the snow's gone because it's melted away. But we're probably going to have more soon enough. Oh yes! So it's splitting it right now, but that's okay, because as long as I keep this still and that stays in there like that, I'll just be able to push this down and keep it going through. Why did that happen? Oh dang, okay. So I'm gonna try and do this without drilling through the counter. That would not go over very well, probably. Well, actually, I'm not too worried about that right now, because right now it's not even going through the other side of the print. You know what? I'll come back to you guys, because this is probably really boring for you. So I'll come back when it's all working. Okay, guys. So what happened before was I accidentally stripped this nut, and yeah, I know I said I shouldn't have done that, but I got it to work. So this is the final product. It will eat my camera. No, I'm just kidding. No, eats the camera. So it works fine. I can put a little spring in there, and that way it'll open up. Then I just chomp it down, and it'll work nicely. But this is not my design. And yeah, so I want you guys to let me know in the comments below if I should paint this or if I should just leave it the same. And yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, please hit that like button. If you loved it and you'd like to see more videos like this one, please hit that subscribe button below. And this guy approves. So wait, could I do it? Wait. I'm gonna say it counts. Okay, so if you guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks. Bye.